over here. Turn the key to program mode. You're going to see your cycle, and whichever cycle you want to edit. Your up button will take you through the cycles. That's cycle 1, cycle 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This machine only has 6 cycles that you can program. We're going to go back down to cycle 1. Okay, you're in cycle 1. You hit the start button, and it's going to tell you you're on your flush. The flush light lights up. To get into that step, hit it again, and you look for how much time you want to put in. Right now I have nothing in the flush, but if I want to flush, I could go a 2-minute flush up front. Hot, okay, it could be a warm or it could be a cold. CC's cold because that's cold and cold. HH is hot and hot. CH is a warm, okay, cold and hot. Doesn't matter what we have in there. I think EE means, I don't know, I'd have to look it up. All right, then you got your level, high. You got a drain. You've got, if you had a spin, you could put a 1-minute spin in here. And if you want a signal, you could do signal 1, signal 2, signal 3, signal 4, signal 5, signal 6, and then it goes back around to 0. And you're back to your cycle time, okay, for that first step, for the flush. I'm going to take that out because we're not using it. All right, then I go next one. I'm sorry, back. And the next step, you notice this light lit up. It was over here in flush. All right, your next step is going to be your pre-wash. Right now I've got a 10-minute wash, warm, low, drain, no spin, and signal 1 for your detergent. And it's going to revert back around. Note that I've got 10 minutes here. This really should be 8, but the customer asked me if I would do 10. This is on a Tide SC program. Okay. Now, back out of that. Go to the next one. You notice over here, now your wash light lit up. 8 minutes. Hot. Low. Drain. No spin. Signal 2 for your bleach. Back around to the 8 minutes. You hit your back button to get out of that step, and you can go now. Now you're at your rinse. I don't have anything in the first rinse. I've got it in the rinse 2. 2 minutes. Hot. High. Drain. 1 minute spin, and you can adjust that by the up or down button. No signal. Back around to your 2 minutes. Back out. You can go again. I don't have anything in 3, but I have something in 4. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I have it in 3. You can go down like that. No, this is the weird programming. So anyway, nothing there. Got to go to the final rinse. 5 minutes. Warm. Low. Drain. 10-minute spin. Once again, he had me do some weird stuff here. Okay. Signal 3. Back around to your 5 minutes. Back out. You hit the up button. It's going to bring you all the way back around to the start. And if you need to go through and change anything, you can go through and start all the way over and go all the way through. If not, and you want to go out and get to your next cycle of program, if you've already done 1 and you want to go to 2, you hit the back button again. It's going to tell you cycle 1, cycle 2. And then you go back in. I want to do the first step. In again, but guess what? I don't have anything there. So I don't need that. So I'm going to get away from the flush. And I'm going to go to your pre-wash. There's my start. And basically, it goes all the way back around from there. If you're done doing your editing, go all the way out. So you're backed all the way out. Can't go anywhere else. Turn your key to run, and it's going to tell you it's ready for use. And you can go through your cycles, whatever cycle you want to run. Okay?